Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're going to explore the advanced dashboard of Getyn CRM, specifically designed for company owners or managers who need a comprehensive view of their organization's activities. Let's dive into the Overview tab and check out these powerful widgets. Total Clients. This widget gives you a quick overview of your client base, helping you keep track of your customer relationships effortlessly. Total Employees. Monitor the number of employees in your organization at a glance, ensuring you're always aware of your team size. Total Projects. Get a snapshot of the total number of projects currently in progress, helping you stay on top of your project portfolio. Do Invoices. Stay organized with this widget that highlights any pending invoices that require your attention, ensuring you never miss a payment. Hours Logs. Keep track of employee productivity with this widget, which shows the hours logged by each team member. Pending Tasks. Identify tasks that are pending and need immediate action, ensuring nothing slips through the cracks. Attendance. Keep an eye on employee attendance for the day, helping you manage your workforce effectively. Unresolved Tickets. Quickly identify any tickets that need resolution, ensuring excellent customer service. Now, let's explore a few more sections, just to give you an idea about fully utilizing the dashboard features. And remember that you can always customize these sections as per your business needs. All right, let's check out these widgets. Income Overview. This widget provides an overview of the total income earned by sales in the company, giving you insight into your financial performance. Timesheet. View detailed timesheets for accurate time tracking, helping you analyze employee productivity. Pending Leaves. Manage employee leaves with this widget that displays pending leave requests for approval, ensuring proper staffing. Open Tickets. Track overall open tickets in Getyn CRM, ensuring timely responses to customer inquiries and issues. Pending Tasks. Identify tasks that are pending and need immediate action, ensuring nothing slips through the cracks. Pending Follow-ups. Stay on top of follow-ups that need attention, ensuring that important leads and opportunities are not missed. Project Activity Timeline. See an overview of project activities in a timeline format, helping you track progress and identify bottlenecks. User Activity Timeline. Monitor user activities within Getyn CRM, ensuring accountability and productivity among your team members. All right, I hope you are still with me and convinced that Getyn CRM can really supercharge your business by giving you all these important insights in a powerful, user-friendly dashboard view. Additionally, for more detailed insights into specific modules, you can navigate to other tabs within Getyn CRM. Let's quickly go through with these tabs. Project. Here, you can delve into the details of all ongoing projects in the organization, tracking progress, milestones, and team assignments. Clients. In this tab, you can access information about all clients or customers of the organization, including contact details, purchase history, and communication logs. HR. Explore details about all employees of the organization, such as leaves, employee numbers, hours logged, attendance records, department-wise employees, designation-wise employees, and more. It's your one-stop destination for all HR-related information. Tickets. This tab provides insights into all tickets handled by the users of the organization, including status updates, resolution times, and customer feedback, ensuring efficient ticket management. Finance. Dive into financial activities and sales information in the organization, including an overview of invoices, estimates, proposals, client-wise earnings, earnings by projects, and much more. Gain valuable insights into your company's financial health and sales performance. All right, folks, there you have it. The advanced dashboard of Getyn CRM, designed to give you a complete overview of your organization's activities. Let's get excited about increased efficiency, better decision-making, and success for your business. Once again, thank you for your time today, and see you in the next video.